Can't believe this. My lights just went out. My interior lights went out of my car. And I can't seem to get them back on, no matter what I try. Damn. The blinkers work all right. I wonder if my headlights work. Here I'm in Lakewood. No, wait a minute. This is Long Beach. That's right. And the panel's unlighted. And so I'm going to check out if there's a guy following me behind me, and he had his brights on, so I'm a little suspicious. Perhaps he had some kind of electronic devices, you know. I'm doing this by myself, folks. I'm not getting any help from anybody. No PI, no FBI, nobody like that. You can say I'm a volunteer, but I have reasons because of my volunteering. Cleaning up the garbage my father left behind and mother. So they were in the organized crime big time. In fact, I was in a couple crime scenes when I was a young kid. My father created. Actually, they were homicides. I was there, imagine that. A 4 or 5-year-old boy at a homicide scene. At another one when I was 10. And both of them occurred in the San Bernadino Mountains. This phone is a bunch of junk, and I hate it. I'm still not done paying it off. It just doesn't work properly at all. Yeah, I contacted one time. Came upon me to contact San Bernadino Sheriff's Department about it, which I did. I never heard back from them. Then I contacted the FBI about it. And the agent told me, he said, well, I have to wait to see what the upper echelons want to do about it. Well, apparently they're doing not a damn thing about it. And that's typical of enforcement in this day and age. You have to weigh all kind of considerations before you do any movement. I think mostly political and social. You know.